Hi, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Kamil Islam. I live in Borishal, Bangladesh, a country which is located in Southeast Asia. I have been living in this small city since 2005 for my work purpose, but I come from Dhaka, which is the capital of Bangladesh. I have been working as a medical representative last 15 years, especially in marketing and business area. I could not have time to study after higher secondary school due to my full-time work. I think this is the best time to complete my bachelor when I have very recently lost my job place because of coronavirus outbreak. I would like to mention some of my strength. For example, I have about 15 years of experience and last 5 years I have lead a team. Definitely this would have an influence on my studying. I am a solution oriented proactive person and do not afraid to think out of the box. Flexibility, adaptability and purpose driven are best suit with me. I do not have any formal academic business related degree and it is relation with information technology, international business, resource management, business technology, communication skills are not state of the art in my case, but I like to improve. I do believe that I could improve my weakness by studying at Centria. My future career plan is to work as a managerial position. To get a managerial position, it is important to have a bachelor's degree from outside of the home country. That's why I have decided to study in Centria, especially from Finland, because Finland has good reputation to its high quality teaching and world famous education system. I believe that a degree from Finland at Centria impairs my job experience that finally lead to get a managerial position in my country. I have used mostly MS Office program. For example, MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint is my daily working life. Honestly speaking, I do not have my other information technology skills. However, one of my targets is to improve my information technology skills by studying at Centria related to business field. At the end, I would like to mention that I am highly motivated to study Finland and Centria at any business related program. I have applied for bachelor's program through Centria Direct online application system. However, my first choice is Bachelor of Business Administration International Business. I hope that I will be potential candidate to get a study place at Centria considering my interest and job experiences. I am looking forward to your positive response. Have a great summer. Thank you.